Hi, let me show you how to disable Face ID in Photos on iPhone. So basically, when it is enabled, you can use it for a hidden album and recently deleted album. So with your Face ID, you can view content of those folders. But to turn it off, you need to go in Settings. Here, just scroll all the way down to find Apps section. And now go through the list to find Photos. After that, start scrolling down again and find this option Use Face ID. And now all you have to do is to toggle off the switch by tapping it, confirm by scanning your face, and now it is disabled. So let's go in Photos again. And as you can see, now we can easily view content of those two albums just by tapping them. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.